it's cuts my corona, but I'm not thinking with my mom, it could happen to contracting different on a Friday, umalume wamaza uzomthatha mise ku-doctor, but they say there's nothing is such, thola ama-injections of few and she came back Tuesday, and then on a Saturday, Friday, and then Saturday, mangibuya mina ngibuya kwamahasela wami, mangibuya endlini ngifika ngiyangena endlini. Mamzo, awukavuki. Athi mfeni, ethi ngigeze ngespeed, ayageza mama kanankinga. Uqeda ukugeza uthi kimi, lalela sana. Angisesibhedlela. Phuthumisa ngiko right. Okay. Ngenze plan ngithatha umama ngimse esibhedlela. And I would like to as well to say thank you for kulo baba lo wangilekelela. Ubaba kaMomo uhlala like front opposite to where I stay. Yeah. He's a Malawian dude, and just imagine if benginengqondo ze-xenophobics and stuff like that, and said umuntu wangaphandle or for example, like I had izinto ey'fana nalezo as a human being, and you get help from that same person. Loyo umbukela phansi
prior.
You see, that's when now we're gonna have to stop it as a xenophobic attacks. These are brothers, and stop it.
Yeah.
Stop killing your own people. Stop killing your own people because of borders. I'm a border. Japan is separated. We're one thing, and our people used to go from one place to another. And ungenze ukuthi njengoba ubulala inhlanga lakho noma ubulala ilineage yakho noma igazi lakho.
Ngiyabonga.
So anyway, wangisiza ngathatha umama ngamisa esibhedlela, and then I said fika esibhedlela ngamisa with casualty. She chilled, ngamgaya i-oxygen, and I said, Mom, uyazi sibloma ikazi, so ithi ngibuyele endlini ngespeed ngiyobheka izinto zihamba kanjani, and then ngizokulokho ngimonitor on the phone.
Bayam-admit that time.
Admit.
Okay.
Monitor on the phone. Mamzo 1, 2, 3 and 4.
It's after lockdown, yonke
lento.
It's
after lockdown.
Yeah.
I monitor on the phone. Aye, sharp. But the Mariana and stuff like that. That's our conversation. She's the last person. I'm the last person she spoke to before she went off. Okay, mama. And then what's her line? Topic phone. 2 minutes in your phone. It killed me when she said to me, "Hey, Mshiman, kereke mamare. Hey, una lechelte ki bilen somewhere." I'm like, plala lechelte to the bilen somewhere. Yaza ukoko ba feel that. Una lechelte bilen somewhere. We bile ga chelte mama no. Ke bile somewhere na montlumo ko pa wenke chelte betshwaro. Wa mplela ga chelete ra. Eish. Mshiman, me ke tsena ke bone ke le motho khutla. Kereke ngare no. Ke fellwa ke moya. Antoine. Kere mama, are kere ke atla no. Mara watla kere ke atla are. Ke na le thole phepanyana tsa ka tse ding seo tse ke di beyang. Ke motho ana rata o beya dintho in ka dinka ka di beya mo. Organize. Ke na le thole phepanyana tse itse go bontlele le tsone ne ntlele ka kobo ya ka so. I did that. I went to the same guy. Got a timer are hey, got an vice v. That time I was any second.
What time was it?
It was 3 a.m. in the morning. It was 3 a.m. in the morning. I went there. And it made like exchange. It's June. Week 13. I went there. I feel like I found umunyisisi uyakoropa. Mayakoropa kanjalo. Ethi ngabe inkinga, ngingam-disturb, and then ngamcela kwathi ukuthi kuyawoma kancane, and then ethi makoma kanjalo ngasenyadlula. Mangidlu ngithi ngiyangena nge-casualty ngithola umama phezulu kwe-stretcher. Ngithola umama phezulu kwe-stretcher uza kanje. So I think mina sebamtholela indawo ku-right, into ehamba ngohlelo. Bayamthatha bayam-isolate bamisa kwenye room lapha. Mangifika ngithi manje umama mnimisabe. But kimi umama wakho bathatha ukushiya manje. I get inside the room. Bebengakamvala amehlo. So that's how traumatizing it was for me at the time, and it took me a long time to get rid of the image in my mind. Mangibonge futhi lapho kuyinsebenzo zika Baba uZilezo, because when I was in pain, always make a phakamise insebenzo ethize lapha ekhayeni. It had to do with inking ezidlula kuzo especially, and bengidlula kwinhlungu at the time. Leyo uthi mangicabanga bengikhriphula amadolo, and I would fall on my knees. You know, I didn't understand until I found you'd have a pain ukuthi mawucabanga something akukhiphula amadolo and just get you on your knees. I never knew. But insebenzo zakhe zingisiza kakhulu because wasiphakamisela izibane wathi niceleni ukulekelela kunto ethize. Qeda lapho aphakamisa futhi indwangu ebaby blue yinhlungu ke le ukuthi inhlungu le uyizwayo lekwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuya phambili ngempilo yithi ukudila nayo. That's where I met with it now today. So says zikhona ezinye izinto life ezidinga spiritual intervention.
You know why I'm crying?
Yeah.
I lost my mom.
Yeah.
But I had my siblings.
I have nobody.
That's why I'm crying.
Yeah. I have quite a few family members, but you know, if you just had the blood brother or blood sister, it would be better because we come from the same womb. Then we could help each other. I had to learn how to meditate. I come to this house, I'm used to chilling with somebody. She's no longer there anymore. And her space you can feel.
Mawuvule ngathi uzomthole lapha.
So I had a position. Ngomuntu ukuthi isitswiri maserazi endlini ngizasifuna ngize ngisithole. Ngisibulale. But I was at the position where like
you were enjoying it. It's
continue,
me and you.
Asibangene. Rasa boy. Bakene ntwanaga. Like do your thing, man. Kasobulai.
I needed that.
Ntwanaga. No. Continue. It's Antwamfanaga.
It's just me and you.
Arabaken. Arabaken. And that's when now because I go to Ubabu Zelezo always usnigen ways on how to deal with stress, especially introduced the meditation.
Yeah.
I had to learn how to meditate. Meditating is one of the things that I use in order for me to deal with the energies as teas or I feel somewhat type of way. The breathing exercises and stuff like that got me through that. And ngesikhathi leso siswami I'm a transformers guy stress ngapha nginagesi ngijwayele ukuphekelwa yazini akusisipike osomhloba hayi ubani angizwile mina ubani mina that's why ngikutshela ngithi you could come into my life and think maybe uzongenza life a bit difficult like you don't know what I've been through. Like udlala ngawe uyadlala ngesikhathi sakho. Like don't come here and think maybe uzongibreak inhliziyo or don't come here and think uzongile. I have been messed up already, sis. I've been messed up already. And let me tell you something. I was in a position that I lost my mom. I would have been looking for somebody who has a feminine energy to try and imagine having sing no made or tease or sing songs zetuzana. How would you deal in a situation if you would take something else in order for you to try and say now I'm trying to heal? How are you gonna heal? You're not gonna heal because you just use something else and put your energy.
Replacing